Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be about my current obsessions as the thumbnail suggests. And also I have seen a lot of YouTubers talk about their current obsessions. It was trending a lot, and then I thought, why do I not talk about my obsessions as well? Recently I've been watching a lot of shows, and there are certain things that I've been collecting also for a long time. You will know as you keep watching. And also I couldn't post a lot of videos of lately because I was quite caught up with many things. I hope you guys understand, and thank you so much for always supporting me. So without further ado, let's just get started. So guys, firstly I would like to talk about this mason jar. This is hands down my most favorite among all the things that I'm going to talk about. I'll give you a small backstory to it. So about 2-3 months ago, me and my sister were watching some series like Chilling Simply, and then I saw this mason jar, I think from some YouTuber or something, I don't really recall, and I was like, this is so cute, like we can use it to decorate, put things also, and drink water and make juices and all of that. I was like, wish we could get the same. And then she was like, why not, we'll just go get it someday, somewhere like that. And we thought, okay fine, when we go out we'll get it. And we forgot about it, at least I forgot about it, and later on my birthday she remembered it and she gifted it. I felt so good. Also, I'll tell you one more thing which I really liked about this is I'm really bad at drinking water, and which is why I have a combination skin and too dry mostly. So I have to keep reminding myself to drink water and motivating myself to drink water. But from the time I got this jar, I've been filling it with water, with juices and all of that, and hydrating myself, which is a good thing. Coming to the next one, this is this cute scented candle. And yeah, so I love cute stuff. I really like it because I like decorating it and just collecting them. From the time I was a kid also, I was constantly collecting coins, like old coins. I was collecting different kinds of stuff. I mean, it's weird, I know, but I really love doing that, and I still do sometimes. And about this candle, the smell is so good. This is a tropical peach scent candle. It's from Miniso. Again, my sister gifted this, and that's about it. It's really nice, and it was quite reasonable price. I don't know how much, but she told it was quite reasonable, so yeah, it should be. I don't know if you should call this a current obsession, but for me, during my college time, like right now I'm not going outside because of the situation. Guys, also please be safe. Wear your masks, and when you're going out, sanitize yourself, and while coming back home, do sanitize yourselves. I'm doing the same, and all of my friends are also doing the same, which is a really good thing. And also please take care. When I used to go to college, I always used to find all my seniors, my classmates wearing this to their tags. Not exactly these, but some kind, which are motivational, cool and all. And I thought that even I'll have to get something like that. I know you get influenced, right? So I also felt like I should get one of these things. And luckily, when I went to this fest called Under 25, I participated in this one thing. I don't know what is the name of it, but where we had to post something and talk about it, where you will get free goodies for the same if you really talk well or something like that. And I got this, and as soon as the thing got over, he was like, you got this goodie bag, and I was so happy. It was a tote bag with stickers and these things. I was most excited for these. The really good part is that these are pastel colors. Like I said, I love pastel colors, and blue is my favorite, and pastel colors too. So I found it in these, and they're so cute. So the next is about books. I'm in book right now, but this is the Divergent series. I have 3 more books to it. It's the Insurgent, the Allegiant, and 4. 4 is actually a prequel, but then I read it at the end because they have released it late. I read this about a year ago. It's not my current obsession as such, but it's really nice. Sometimes if you want to read, you can go back and read it. It's really nice. It's all about fiction. It's how there are different factions in it, and how people fight over it. Genuinely so good for people who are already book readers and love reading different kinds of genres. It's a really good book. And for people who want to start reading books, I think this is a really good book to start with. And I really love and prefer the book over a movie. Sometimes what I do is I read the book first and then watch the movie to have that thing in my mind that this hasn't happened in the book, or this happened in the book and it didn't happen in the movie, something like that. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah. And that's about it. This is how it looks. and I got it from Amazon or Flipkart, I'm not really sure. It was around, I don't know, I'll link it down below. I'll try to link all the products that I've been using in this. I've been showing, sorry. Coming to the next product, it is a pocket perfume. I love pocket perfumes a lot because obviously they're quite tiny and cute and you can carry it anywhere. So this is what I've been using. And it is a Woman Engage on Aqua Cool Aqua, sorry. So I think it is really nice because the smell is so nice. It doesn't feel too flowery or it doesn't even feel too strong. It's mild and it's nice. So I've been using this during my college time. That's when I came across this. Oh my god. Okay, that's when I came across this and I felt really nice as I kept using it. And then I didn't even realize that it has become my favorite until unless I have almost used 5-6 of them before. Going to Netflix shows right now, I'm quite obsessed with a lot of shows. Not just Netflix, I'm obsessed with a lot of movies also on Prime. And due to this lockdown situation, everyone is watching one thing or the other. And I'm binge watching Lucifer, Dark, Vampire Diaries and Vampire Diaries. And I'm watching the sequel of Vampire Diaries, which is the originals. It's still in the pause right now. I have been watching Dark lately. It is just so good. It's just mind-blowing. I want to, continue watching that. And I think I'll start watching Breaking Bad. I've heard a lot about it. Many people are saying that the series is just so good. And coming to Lucifer, I'll tell you why I really like it a lot. I started watching it last year and during my 12th grade, and I wanted to relax in between and take a break, and I was watching Lucifer then, and I really liked the entire plot. It's about how Lucifer the devil comes to the earth and falls in love with a girl who is apparently just a human being, and many things to it. Like there are a lot of twists and turns in it, and I wanted to know what has happened. And the new season came out last month, the ending of August, and I was so happy, like finally it has come out. I was watching that, and in Prime Video I watched this movie called Chemical Hearts. It's so good. It's just so good. And All the Bright Places from Netflix. It's just so good. It's about how a girl is so lost and she has a trauma situation, and a guy comes to her and then starts making her look at the good things and the bright things, as the name suggests. And yeah, that's all about it, and I really am enjoying doing a lot of these kind of stuff lately, watching these shows and many other things, and these are the cute obsessions of mine. And let me know what are your obsessions. And yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you.